Hey everyone, Jair with Indianapolis Auto Spa. Today we have this Tesla Model Y coming in for a hydro wash. Basically this is a very thorough exterior wash. We're going to be washing it, deconning it, clay barring it, and sealing it with a 2 to 3 week ceramic sealant. So first things first, we're going to be cleaning the wheels, tires, wheel barrels, wheel wells, basically everything you can see when it comes to the wheel components, suspension, wheel liners, stuff like that.
Next step is we're going to do a pre-rinse with the foam. That way we can take some of the dirt, get it off the car as much as we can before we touch it. That way we can get ready for the next steps.
This step is extremely crucial. The reason why we pre-rinse a vehicle is because of the fact that we don't want to be dragging all these huge contaminants, minerals, salt from the road, stuff like that across your paintwork. All that is just going to amplify deeper scratches, imperfections in your paintwork, and that's not what we're looking for. We always foam the vehicle once, then foam it again, and that's when we'll actually do a contact wash. In our contact wash, that's when we end up using the actual wash mitts to remove any of that excess dirt, grime that's going to be on the vehicle. This step really allows us to loosen up the dirt. We're just agitating everything, so that way it's a lot easier for the dirt to slide off once we rinse it off. Once we rinse all the soap off the vehicle, that's when we start getting into our decon side of things. We're going to spray it with our iron remover. That's just going to remove any of the contaminants that are actually embedded into the clear coat of your vehicle. We're going to let that dwell for a couple of minutes, then follow up with a clay bar to remove any embedded contaminants that are in your clear coat.
So I'm clay barring it right now, removing some of the contaminants. You can see in some of the areas up here, the spots are really small, but those are going to be some of the contaminants, some of the iron that's pulling out of the paint. So the goal here is just to remove as much as we possibly can from the paint during this process. So
after that, we're going to rinse all the iron remover that's still clinging onto the vehicle. Once we rinse that all off, we're going to go into our hydro foam. That's going to be our protectant that lasts anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. It is ceramic infused. This will ensure that the vehicle stays shiny, clean, and durable down the road. So we're letting this settle. That way we allow it to actually bond to the paintwork. You're gonna start to see that the soap is gonna run off the vehicle. That's what we're looking for. That's just gonna give us the proper dwell time that we need for this to actually bond to the paintwork. Like Chris mentioned before, the water was actually clinging onto the paintwork. This is gonna make that not a thing. All the water is just basically gonna run off the vehicle, almost like if it was ceramic coated. This is just gonna help us dry it. It's gonna stay cleaner longer, protect it against the elements. Overall, this is just the best package that we have to offer in terms of keeping your vehicle clean for a while. Now that we're done with our hydro wash, if you want something similar done to your vehicle, come visit us at Indianapolis Auto Spa. We'd love to take care of you.